Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this little icon of a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add. You can also select this plus instead. Then click on Image and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then click on the best source for you and select your photos from it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!